what you already know, which is the current situation in terms of the deficit that the state is facing, and how solar can be is a potential solution, particularly from a captive generation source. And the last, I'll touch upon how First Solar can facilitate you in terms of overcoming that situation. But just a very quick glance of what is First Solar for the benefit of those who are not aware. First Solar is one of the leading vertically integrated solar utilities in the world. We have a manufacturing capacity of 2,000 megawatt of solar panels every year, situated in USA and Malaysia. We also do EPC and project development works all around the globe, majority of them in US right now. So we have installed modules-wise 8,000 megawatt of capacity worldwide, and we currently have a project pipeline which is doing EPC as well as project development of over 3,000 megawatt. Focus of First Solar has always been in terms of reducing the net cost of solar power. So we were one of the first companies whose cost of manufacturing the solar panel was below $1. This was in 2009 timeframe. So we are committed to reducing the cost of solar energy and bring it at par or parity with the conventional energy without any benefit to availing any subsidies. So as a company, we are targeting markets which we believe are sustainable without any feed-in tariffs, and India is one of the top markets for that. In the US and elsewhere, our model is that we build a plant, and then once the plant starts performing, the performance is proven, we sell it to utilities and financial investors. So we have attracted investors like Warren Buffett and GE Financial Services, some of the most savviest investors, financially savvy investors in the market, which is kind of indicates our technology as well as the engineering services that go behind it. And in this, as you guys might be aware, last few years the solar industry has been facing extreme turbulence. A lot of industries, companies have gone out of business, gone bankrupt. In that environment, First Solar probably is the only solar company which has maintained a positive balance sheet and a P&L statement. This chart shows, the facts, the figures which you are already aware about. Andhra Pradesh is facing a peak deficit of nearly 19% and an energy deficit of 16%. While most of the countries facing this deficit, but probably these numbers are higher in this particular state. And the reasons, are same though across all the states. Shortage of fuel, both coal and gas, which traditionally have been which have been the major source of power. Schedule delays on account of development activities, which is land acquisition, getting the environment or the forest clearance, which are the major hurdles in setting up conventional power plants. Delays in getting financing. Last few years, the banks have not been in the best of states. They have suffered a lot of NPAs, and hence getting funding for these infrastructure projects has become a challenge, which has led to delays in adding base capacity additions. While we feel that the growth has come down over the last couple of 3-4 years maybe, but still a $1 trillion economy growing at 5-6% is still a significant growth. And the electricity sector is still not able to cope up with those numbers. So the gap between the demand and supply keeps widening, which is very evident in the graphs. If you see the peak deficit as well as energy deficit have gone up significantly over the last 2 to 3 years. And this trend is, unfortunately likely to continue, because last 2-3 years there have not been any significant clearances that have happened on any huge or large scale power projects. Hence any new capacity addition is going to take that much longer to come. So we also referred this data, from the Planning Commission, which has projected the future, the next 20 years of how the capacity, the deficit looks like. So they have taken, in fact, a 2,000 megawatt of addition every year. Even then, we are not going to be able to meet or bridge the gap significantly particularly on the peak deficits.